Hi guys, Ivan here in another video for Ninja Jump Dash. Yeah, there's this block there. So, I hope you will enjoy this video in Minecraft Pocket. What did I say? It's not Minecraft, man. So, let's get started here. Race. Race here. And that's my... I buy this for like 20 gems. If you want me to patch this, just request in this video here. You know that I always have some surprise videos, so don't judge in my first video here, guys. Just don't really judge. I'm not that good here, man. What a nice moves there, bro. So I will hit that guy in the face. Ooh, hit you in the face. Hit you in the face, man. It's really smelly here. And if you want me to, if you just want to request to make videos, just request on me. Now that I make videos here, so thank God that there's no damage in my trophies. Now I am in the top 2. Just I need to win one more to overtake. Hit the deck, you losers. Yeah, I call them like that, so they will be so tough. Hit that guy. No. No. Just great start there. And I couldn't believe they did that to me. A YouTuber, man. I'm a YouTuber. This makes sense if I am a YouTuber. It is still my challengers. I challenged them for this, and I get the prize. Nope. 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 No, no, no. 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 Now I'm in the 3rd place. Yep. I'm in the 3rd place, so I can overtake it now. Oh, oh yeah. Yep, 85. Okay. One more race. Yep, that guy for me. He got the revenge. Now we're back in the time machine. What? Oh. What? Really fast. Just don't know. No, guys, it's just the game. I'm talking to the game. It's really weird. Eliza, someone will watch you. Mm. Didn't hit you in the face, man. You did. Wow. In the first place. Woo. So that's for it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And hurry up, Panda, so I can exit this game. And that's for it for today, guys, that I overtake that language code. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and out.